Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 14 is now here at Metro. It's available now in 128GB of storage, and that's the only storage option that Metro has for the iPhone 14. So it's available now in 4 colors. You guys can see, you guys have blue, you guys have purple, blue, that's what's being shown, red and black there. So pretty cool there. So yeah, this is the iPhone 14. That looks like the iPhone 13 from last year, obviously. So you guys have your teardrop notch, your notch for your front facing camera, earpiece and stuff like that. Power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert switch. Dual cameras on the back, camera flash Apple logo there on the rear. There's the right side, like I said, power button. There's a better look at the dual cameras on the back, along with camera flash. And there's the front of it again. So like I said, it's available in 128GB of storage, and it's currently back ordered according to this here. So hopefully it'll be in stock soon. So it's $699.99 if you guys need a new number. So the full retail price is $799.99 for the 128GB version. Metro has it cheaper. It's like $30 cheaper, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys bring your if you guys need a new number, it's $699.99, which isn't a bad price for that. But if you guys bring your number to Metro, y'all guys can get this iPhone 14 for $600. This is the 128GB version, so that is a pretty cool deal there. So if you guys are switching to Metro and you guys want an iPhone 14, y'all guys can get it for $600. Why not? That's a pretty cool deal. You're saving $200 on that. So pretty cool. Features: it has dual 12MP wide and ultra wide cameras, 12MP true depth front camera, 16 hours of talk time. Screen 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR display, 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution. Other features include 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display, advanced dual camera system, cinematic mode, emergency SOS via satellite, all day battery life, splash, water and dust resistance, iOS 16, of course, 5G connectivity, of course, 4K Dolby Vision, HDR recording, up to 20 hours of video playback. iPhone 14 with the most impressive dual camera system on iPhone. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Buy the all-new iPhone 14 and unleash the power of T-Mobile's 5G network, tapping into extended range 5G for broad coverage and ultra capacity, 5G for super fast speeds in more places. All data plans include access to 5G with T-Mobile. Explore iPhone 14 specs, reviews, and find the available colors and storage sizes for sale today. If you guys need help choosing what iPhone is right for you, check out our iPhone comparison chart to help you decide based on the features and the options of each iPhone side by side. Quick facts on the iPhone 14. When will Alright, so this is pretty interesting. It says, when will the iPhone 14 be released? It's September 16th. This video is being recorded September 17th, so the iPhone 14 is out on all carriers now. What colors are available for iPhone 14? The iPhone 14 is available in 5 colors: red, midnight, starlight, purple, and blue. What are the storage options for the iPhone 14? iPhone 14 has 3 memory sizes: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, and 512 gigs. Metro only has a 128GB version, so do keep that in mind. T-Mobile will have all the storage options and colors and stuff like that. Specs: built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, lightning cable, of course, Wi-Fi 8211 8X with 4x4 I'm not sure what that is. Bluetooth 5.0 NFC, voice over LTE, and USB. A15 bionic chip, iOS 16. There is no external storage, obviously, because this is iPhone. 4G LTE, and 5G, of course. Supported email platforms, internet compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequencies, weight of the iPhone 14, 6.7 ounces, length. The length is depth 0.31 inches, height the height is 5.78 inches, width 2.82 inches width. What comes in the box is your standard stuff from Apple. Y'all guys get the iPhone 14, USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box. You guys know that. Apple does not include chargers in the boxes anymore. As of the iPhone 12, they stopped putting chargers in the boxes. So, yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $799.99 for a retail price for the 128GB version. It's available in 4 colors here. Nope, 5 colors. Excuse me. So you guys have purple. Starlight says available in 5 colors. Excuse me. I thought it was available in 4, but you guys got 5 colors. So, yeah. So the iPhone 14 is the cheapest flagship iPhone this year. So, if you guys put your number over the Metro, y'all guys can get the iPhone 14 for $600, which is a pretty sweet deal. So, yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.